Number 1. Experience the pinnacle of late 1970s luxury with this stunning 1979 Lincoln Continental Mark V Coupe, offered at $6,995 in Portland, Oregon. With only 48,000 miles, this pristine example features a clean white exterior perfectly complemented by an off-white interior. In outstanding condition, the car runs excellently and comes with a clean title, ready for its next owner. The Mark V, produced from 1977 to 1979, epitomized sophistication with its plush interiors, smooth ride, and timeless styling, making it a true classic for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 2. Step into a world of classic American luxury with this 1974 Cadillac DeVille sedan, listed for $7,500 in Waxahachie, Texas. Showing 60,000 miles, this largely original beauty boasts an eye-catching red-on-red color scheme that enhances its opulent presence. The car runs and drives well, though the odometer is currently non-functional. Known for its exceptional comfort, impressive size, and signature style, the DeVille line solidified Cadillac's reputation in the 1970s as the pinnacle of American automotive elegance, making this sedan a standout piece of history for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 3. This 1967 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $6,000 in Liberty Lake, Washington, is the perfect canvas for your next classic car project. Though it's sold without an engine, it boasts a solid setup, including a 12-bolt rear axle, traction bars, a 400 transmission with a stall converter, and line lock. A fiberglass hood and front bumper add a sporty flair, while original parts like the bench seat and grille are included to maintain its vintage charm. Combining muscle car performance with pickup utility, the El Camino remains a standout choice for enthusiasts seeking a unique and versatile classic. Number 4. Uncover a hidden gem with this 1980 Pontiac Trans Am Turbo, listed for $6,500 in Albion, Nebraska. This barn find boasts just 52,000 original miles and pairs a sleek black exterior with a striking red leather interior. It runs and drives well, thanks to recent updates like new brakes, a fuel pump, and a rebuilt carburetor. Though it has some rust and cosmetic imperfections, this classic remains a head-turner and an ideal restoration project. Known for its turbocharged engine and bold styling, the 1980 Trans Am holds its place as a true muscle car icon. Number 5. Rev up your passion for muscle cars with this 1979 Chevrolet Camaro, available for $6,500 in Utica, New York. Featuring a recently rebuilt engine that runs strong, this classic is a fantastic foundation for any enthusiast. While the brakes need some attention, the car remains in good condition overall, showcasing a bold blue exterior and the unmistakable styling that defines the Camaro legacy. Representing the late 1970s blend of performance and style, this iconic model is a staple of American car culture and a thrilling opportunity for its next owner. Number 6. Discover a perfect blend of power and style with this 1966 Buick Riviera Coupe, priced at $8,500 in Sacramento, California. With just 45,000 miles on its rebuilt engine and several recent upgrades, including a new fuel pump, radiator, and electric fans, this classic runs strong and is ready for daily driving. While the exterior gold paint shows some signs of age, it remains eye-catching, and the body is free of damage. The burgundy interior is in need of some restoration, including seat repairs, a headliner, and a passenger window motor. Known for its luxury and performance, the Riviera is a standout piece in Buick's history. Number 7. Step into classic luxury with this 1973 Buick Electra 225, priced at $3,500 in Franklin, West Virginia. Featuring a rebuilt 455 Buick Big Block engine with only 40,000 miles, this car runs smoothly and offers a powerful ride. Its white-on-white finish, while showing minor paint imperfections, adds character to its sleek appearance. One of just 15,000 made, The Electra 225 is a rare gem that provides an affordable entry into classic car ownership. Known for its comfort and robust V8 performance, the Deuce and a Quarter remains a standout in Buick's luxury lineup. Number 8. Experience the elegance and practicality of this one-owner 1975 Chrysler Newport, listed for $6,500 in Saginaw, Michigan. With only 56,000 miles and an immaculate interior that's been stored indoors since 1979, this car is in remarkable condition. Recently serviced with new tires, a full brake and fuel system overhaul, and functional cruise control and AC, it drives like new. The Newport epitomizes Chrysler's blend of luxury and performance, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking a well-preserved classic sedan that combines style with reliability. Number 9. Get ready for a thrilling ride with this 1979 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe, priced at $17,600 in Greenville, South Carolina. Powered by a rebuilt 350 small block board .60 over, it boasts a range of performance upgrades, including a new Edelbrock intake, performance carb, 373 Positrack rear end, Dart SS heads, and a full hooker exhaust. The sleek black exterior contrasts with the mostly original red interior, which requires some finishing touches like a headliner and door panel. With its personal luxury car appeal and muscle car roots, this Monte Carlo delivers both style and power in one exciting package. Number 10. Unleash your adventurous side with this 1973 International Scout II, listed for $6,000 in Dallas, Texas. This rugged project vehicle features a rebuilt Chevy 350 engine, 6-lug axles, and a 4-speed manual transmission. While it runs and drives, the clutch plate is stuck to the flywheel and will need some attention. The gray exterior shows some rust in the lower quarters, but the floors and frame remain solid. Inside, the bed-lined interior and roll bar add durability and style. Known for its off-road prowess and adventurous spirit, the Scout II is a true pioneer in the SUV world. Number 11. This 1984 GMC High Sierra 2500 4x4, listed for $7,200 in Spokane, Washington, is a rugged and dependable classic. Powered by a 350 small block Chevy engine with an Edelbrock intake, Comp 292 cam, gear drive timing set, and long tube headers, it delivers excellent performance. The Turbo 400 transmission and Warn locking hubs add extra utility for work or off-road adventures. With rust-free panels, a full-size spare, and tire chains included, this truck is ready for action. While it shows minor wear, such as dents on the fender and tailgate and carpet damage, the Sierra 2500 remains a reliable workhorse, blending tough capability with iconic GMC styling. Number 12. This rare 1982 Dodge Convertible, available for $7,000 in Marietta, Georgia, is a striking and road-ready classic. Featuring sleek black paint, a tan leather interior, and a well-maintained canvas top, it's a perfect choice for stylish cruising. With fully functional electronics and tires in excellent condition, this convertible promises a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. Dodge convertibles from this era are rarely seen, making this a unique and fun addition to any collection. Whether you're a collector or just looking for an open-air driving experience, this 1982 Dodge Convertible offers a special opportunity. Number 13. For $7,000 in San Antonio, Texas, this 1977 Chrysler New Yorker offers a compelling blend of luxury and performance. Powered by a 440 cubic inch V8 engine with only 39,000 miles, it runs well and is complemented by a pristine burgundy leather interior. While the car is functional, it would benefit from some attention to reach its full potential. The New Yorker, known for its spacious interiors and smooth ride, was Chrysler's flagship luxury model in the 1970s, making this a fantastic opportunity for classic car enthusiasts seeking both comfort and power. Number 14. Listed for $6,500 in Springtown, Texas, this 1972 Ford F-250 Camper Special combines rugged utility with classic style. Featuring a rebuilt 390 V8 engine and automatic transmission, this pickup is designed for heavy hauling and towing, with the Camper Special package that was favored by outdoor enthusiasts. The green exterior and interior offer a timeless, vintage appeal. Running and driving well, it's a dependable vehicle that serves as a solid foundation for restoration or can be used regularly as is. A perfect choice for those looking for a reliable and iconic workhorse. Number 15. Offered for $7,000 in Lawton, Oklahoma, this 1984 Chevrolet C10 is a stylish and powerful project truck. Equipped with a 350 engine and aftermarket performance parts, along with a 2 Ford lowering kit, it sits on 20x9 chrome wheels that give it a striking appearance. While the heat works, the AC is missing, and there is some rust in the rocker panels and floor. Despite these imperfections, the clean frame and body make it a fantastic candidate for restoration. The C10's iconic square body design continues to captivate truck enthusiasts, making this a solid investment for any classic truck lover. Number 16. Listed for $7,000 in Brenton, West Virginia, this 1979 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Crew Cab offers a great mix of classic style and practicality. With 124,000 miles, the truck runs and drives well, featuring a rust-free frame and a body that, though showing some dings, remains in good condition overall. The Silverado has long been known for its rugged build and comfortable ride, making it a solid choice for those seeking a reliable classic with plenty of potential for restoration or daily use. This truck is an ideal opportunity for both enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 17. Listed for $7,000 in Indianapolis, Indiana, this 1967 Cadillac Fleetwood is a well-maintained luxury sedan. It features a rebuilt engine, radiator, heater core, gas tank, and a new muffler system, along with freshly replaced brakes, drums, and wheel cylinders. The flywheel has also been replaced, and the car runs great. While it requires a minor roof repair and some paint touch-ups, it remains a prime example of Cadillac's luxury legacy. Known for its premium design and exceptional performance, the Fleetwood is the perfect blend of style and opulence, ready for any classic car enthusiast. Number 18. Priced at $6,200 in Houston, Texas, this 1966 Cadillac DeVille convertible is an excellent restoration candidate. It features a 429 engine and transmission in good condition, though it currently doesn't run due to electrical issues. A wiring harness, new carburetor, battery, and a convertible top with glass and boot are included. With 77,000 miles and a single owner history, this classic DeVille convertible offers the perfect opportunity for a project. Known for its 1960s luxury cruising appeal, it combines stylish elegance with powerful performance, making it a sought-after piece for classic car enthusiasts. Number 19. Priced at $1,700 in New Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, this 1984 Ford F-150 is a solid, work-in-progress classic. Powered by a 300 inline-six engine and paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it features 4-wabid and a long bed, offering great versatility. While it runs and drives, it requires some attention, including brake bleeding and cosmetic fixes. With new front calipers and pads, it is drivable as is. The F-150's rugged design and adaptability made it a staple among classic trucks, offering potential for restoration or continued use for truck enthusiasts. Number 20. Listed for $800 in Logan, Ohio, this 1985 Dodge 600 Coupe presents a budget-friendly opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine and front-wheel drive, it runs and drives, but does have rust on the rocker panels and a cracked windshield. As a compact luxury car from the mid-1980s, the Dodge 600 was known for its practicality and fuel efficiency, making it a great choice for a classic project or a reliable daily driver. This car offers an affordable entry point into classic car ownership.